Welcome to the GKN installation videos. Today we'll show you the disassembly and assembly of a TPE boot. Always watch out for your safety and the safety of others. Maintain the relevant safety regulations and wear appropriate protective clothing. A corresponding special tool like this from our toolbox enables you to install and dismantle the individual components safely, easily, and quickly. First, loosen the small clamp. Then the large clamp. Use the GKN joint puller to remove the joint from the drive shaft without any great effort. Attach it to the shaft as follows. The GKN joint puller can be used for both short and long pivot joints. Make sure a sufficiently large area is left on the bolt threads so that the joint can be loosened from the safeguard. If you have a joint with a nut, it is recommended to attach a washer. Tighten the mounting bolts. Now turn the screw until the joint comes off the shaft. Remove the GKN joint puller from the drive shaft. Loosen the boot. Carefully remove the GKN joint puller from the drive shaft. Uncover the small parts and remove them from the shaft. While doing so, pay attention to the exact layout of the small parts. Please remember this exactly. Put the small parts to the side. Remove the boot. Thoroughly clean the interconnecting shaft. If the circlip is still on the interconnecting shaft, remove it. Take the small stainless steel clamp and the new GKN TPE boot and slide it on the interconnecting shaft. Use the special GKN pliers for stainless steel to tightly close the small stainless steel tensioning clamp. You must tighten the stainless steel tensioning clamps with a torque of 23 to 30 Nm. The consequences of stainless steel clamps that are clamped too tightly or too loosely are leaks, unreliable fitting, or even damage to the boot. Install the new small parts on the interconnecting shaft in accordance with the previous layout. Depending on the type of lock, place the circlip in the groove of the interconnecting shaft or into the groove of the inner race. Fill a third of the supplied quantity of grease into the boot. Fill the remaining amount of grease into the joint. Make sure that the joint is grease-free on the boot seat. Here you can see the TPE boot with sealing lip and the recess in the joint where the sealing lip is fitted. Carefully raise the joint until the circlip has reached its functional position. Pull boot on the joint into correct position. The joint must be fixed immovable on interconnecting shaft. Slide the large stainless steel clamp onto the TPE boot. Use the special GKN pliers for stainless steel to tightly close the large stainless steel tensioning clamp. Applicable here again, you must tighten the stainless steel tensioning clamps with a torque of 23 to 30 Newton meters. The consequences of stainless steel clamps that are clamped too tightly or too loosely are leaks, unreliable fitting, or even damage to the boot. Move the joint to spread the grease inside and simultaneously check the free movement of the joint. You have neatly solved the task and the shaft is now ready for use. We wish you continued success.
GKN Automotive.